Hey guys, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen, and I have another amazing recipe for you. Today we're going to make a raw strawberry mango salsa. Super simple, super easy, refreshing. This is something you can serve on the weekends, at the parties, in your home. It packs and travels easy, step by step. In a large bowl, we are going to take some fresh mango, the riper the better. This is just diced. Also, a quarter of a red onion, also diced, smaller than the mango. You can do it the same size. The texture and the taste is what's going to vary. The mango is sweeter. This is more pungent, so I will cut it smaller so you can have less of a surface area bite. We're going to squeeze the juice of 2 limes. Squeezing the lime directly on the onion is going to cut some of that allium or that bite that you get from an onion. It's from the allium family, so that's what it is. It releases that gas, and that's what that smell is, that's what that taste is. So by soaking it with the lime juice first, this alkaline acid is going to tame or mute some of those harsh flavors, and we're just going to let that sit, and then I'm going to show you guys a couple tricks. So for the raw strawberry mango salsa, we're going to need strawberries. So these are farm fresh, and I'm just going to take this. The green top has already been removed. Cut that in half. And we're just going to make some nice slices here, about 4 lengthwise and 2 crosswise. And we have beautiful diced strawberries. Same here. And again on the crosshatch, diced strawberry. So we're going to add this guy to our strawberry party. Let's give this a mix. Get in there. Now for a little heat, jalapeno. This has been sliced. The seeds have been removed. You can see a few seeds. The seeds in the ribs contain the capsaicin, which is the spicy element of the pepper. My aunt's gonna get a kick out of that. So you can remove the ribs and the seeds or leave them in there depending on your preference for heat. So I've left a few in here. This is 1/2 of a jalapeno. Serrano would be really good. Some Fresno, which is the red jalapeno, would be really good. Since we have the red from the strawberry, I'm using the green jalapeno. Again, you can use chili Anaheim. Your preference of heat and flavor is up to you. This recipe can go any different way. You can use different stone fruits. Today we're using strawberries. Jalapeno in the bowl. We're gonna add some freshly picked cilantro. This is not chopped. You can chop it. I don't like chopping it because once the salsa sits, it's gonna tend to shrivel up and wilt, and it's gonna get lost, and it's not gonna have that bright flavor. So the larger leaves, for me, the better. It's gonna look prettier, it's gonna taste better. Trust me, because I said so. For no other reason other because I said so. And lastly, and don't think I'm crazy, agave instead of salt. I know. This sweetness from the agave is going to help to bind. It's going to start to release and encapsulate these juices that the strawberries and the mangoes are going to purge. Because the onion in there, that also has juice. A lot of these things are juicy. So adding more salt is going to pull those juices out, and you're going to be left with mango strawberry soup. So instead of having that, which sounds delicious, we're going to have salsa. So this is about a tablespoon of some agave. I'm just going to give this a mix. As you can see, that cilantro is just folding in. It's not getting lost. It's big, right? We can identify what it is. Just going to let this sit in the refrigerator for up to an hour before we serve it. It can last overnight. And then I'll show you guys how to plate and present it. Okay, guys, so here we have it. Our raw strawberry and mango salsa. Perfect for summer, perfect for travel. Take it to the beach, take it to the park, eat it in your apartment. I've paired it with some raw kale chips. Just go perfect with any chips, or a spoon, or a fork. You can eat it just like this. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon in the corner. can follow us at www.dherbs.com/chef